It's the soft spot on the soft network. Sanibonani. Namuhla siphumile bafethu senzaweni lenhle silana for sizathu lesihlukile. It's all about the Makoti Festival. More on that a bit later. The media launch organized by Phumla Music herself and her friends. Kodwa manje ngihlelo sesidudu all the way from the kingdom of Eswatini. She's a journalist, ladies and gentlemen. Crossed the border, came to Mbombela to capture this media launch. Sawubona sesidudu.
Njani futhi?
Yaphila ngifuna ukukuva senzeta le mic yakho kancane la kuwe. Away. Sesidudu. Yeah, I'm sure. All right, musne guys. Hundreds. Awungitshele seswami. How are you? Unjani?
Ngiyaphila mina njani ne?
Siphilile man.
Sanibonani nonke.
Hi there. Bonke abantu bakaDube eSwatini bahle.
Bahle bonke.
Ngiyakutshela.
Ngikuthiwa Dvuba, Mtima, Mzomba, Nyamatane lenhle. Lo lokulandzelako ke.
Nawe uzoyibona. Seswami Shem ngiyabonga spirit sakho. Awungitshele lana uyimedia from Eswatini Observer.
Yes.
Wena ucoverisha ama events and all that. Eswatini Observer it's like a newspaper national, ne?
Yes. Eswatini Observer, it's one of the print houses la khona even la kaNgwane. Kahle kahle Eswatini sina two not per se two, mathathu sengibeka kabi. Mathathu lama paper, ikhona iEswatini Observer, ikhona iTimes of Eswatini, ikhona iFinancial Times. But mina ngisebenzela iEswatini Observer.
Utake the Observer Mbombela.
Kahle lokusilethelana nginayi concept yemnanzi yeMakoti Festival.
Ugo attend on a personally before?
Of course, for the past 3 years.
Oh, so you've been to from the first to the second to the third.
So long ngiyalandzelela.
Yahamba njani Makoti? What's going on there?
Kuphela kwemicimbi loye abe khona even la kaNgwane loye akhuthade kakhulu bomake bethu. Bantu besifazane. Sikhathi sekuthi babe nelithuba lekujabula. Bathathe lobufati babo lokutichenya kwabo bakise endzaweni lehlukile kepha ke nyalo timvo ke setashintsha njengoba wadi ukuthi timvo setendiwa ngendlela yesimanje manje
right
yebo sesafaka bo makeup nje kuMakoti Festival nokunye lesiye sikuthakasele sithi nithathele siyesithakasele indlela abantu labatobe bede bagcoke ngayo
right
lokho kusijabulisa kakhulu mabaqala nje le micimbi yabo lena indlela lebe bagcoke ngayo bengazi ukuthi bonke batshelene kwakuhle kakhulu
right
it is one of the concepts lengiva ngazi ukuthi bonke abantu abasikade kumele bayisukumele etoni akusiyo yabo makoti baseSwatini nje kuphela lento ifaka wonke ubona ngisho i-lineup yabo i-lineup yabo iyajabulisa kakhulu kulomnyaka lophelile nje bengakhona ama-artist la jabulisako look ngibo bomake.
Oh wow, the concept it goes from the performing artist to the display fashion, makeup, just to make sure that the ladies are not just entertained but they're also shown ukuthi
ugqoka njani the food.
Ekishin.
Tojabula njani ungakadli?
Makoti Festival concept that is catering for the young modern wife.
Exactly.
Ngathi ngeke ngaya bafethu but ngendlela akhuluma ngayo usisiduduzile Dube ngiyayiva lendzaba yakhe. This year yoba nini? Do you know the dates already?
26 April.
26 April.
Yes.
27 April it's a holiday la Mzansi. So uma singaya singakhona ukuthi sihlale enjoy. Siphumule yabo. Is it a one day event?
Actually, I can say it's a 2-day event because siqala emini kuze kuyophela ngakusasa mhlambe kahle ngoba phela emini kuyeqale khona kukhangisa lokuba khona bomake labenta imisebenzi yetandla baba khona udla bo fashion show name it all. It's sort of like a one stop.
Kuyabonakala ukuthi Makoti Festival is so treasured Eswatini. Buka Eswatini Observer sent you through. Now my sister lapho with Eswatini Times. I tell you guys, go on Mbombela today because the media houses are here to singatha this wonderful initiative going for the 4th year this year. And kubonakala ukuthi khamba kahle sekuvele soft network nathi sitathe singatha. Sesiduduzile Dube, you rock. I like your tattoos. I think Swaziland is an awesome space for you. So tell me to get more information about Eswatini Observer and check out the stories, please share with me the email address or the website address.
You can check us. Facebook. We do have an active page Eswatini Observer nangabe bakhona lababukelako already bayathi ukuthi banga-check ke page lefu Eswatini Observer ka Facebook nakhona sidabe posta constantly to keep people updated ikakhulu kati laba ba7 la kaNgwane ngoba lokumcoka kakhulu lesikujabulelako ndangixolela vele ngikhuluma kakhulu
Ishaya girl, yeah.
Ngoba lokusijabulisako ngale activation lena ukuthi ifike kahle ihambiselana ncama shi nayo i-Women's Month lokinfo lemcoka ifika kahle kwayena lo mcimbi lo bongata bona bomake kuyasijabulisa nathi sithi siyingcenye yalenfo lemnanza kangaka.
April is Women's Month Eswatini.
No. Ngisho nyalo this month is women's. Last weekend it was the World International. So this month March woke and just
Is Women's Month Eswatini?
No, not Eswatini.
Internationally. But I'm a guy, I don't know. Yes.
Sibonga bonke bantfu labasikade bakhona nje abaphila.
No, yangifundzisa girl, yangifundzisa. March is an International Women's Month.
Yes, on Sunday nje. Bekulilanga lelikhulu lelibonga ngomhlaba wonke ngisho silo semhlaba inkosi Mswati wesithathu inkosi yethu kwaba khona lokuthite lekuvekutako kangangokuba sezisineli holiday ngalokho semthethweni
Hayibo.
lokuyinfo lecala kwendeka le sinel holiday lelithango labomake.
Imakoti Festival was part and parcel of the creation of the situation ukuthi kune holiday yabomake. Must, I'm sure. The movement really creates ukuthi obomama basigape but ibone ba great and babe ne confidence to even want to have a national holiday in Swaziland for obomama. Aware, you heard it first like with Soft Network. You are so informed. And it's and you're nervous, but you know ways. You killed it. When you get to Swaziland, you need to start a podcast. I think you're good. I think you're awesome, you're informed, and you're well spoken. Aware to be. Mzomba. It's the Soft Spot on the Soft Network. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Beautiful day in Mbombela, and it's good news. Good news through and through. Hleno Putemkosi, all the way from the Kingdom of Eswatini, part of the group of finders and founders of Makoti Festival. Putemkosi.
Wala.
Kunjani naka?
Hayi ngiyaphila mnakethu kunjani?
Ngiyaphila bhuti. But wami wena ngiva ukuthi wena ufunze eVet, so iMzansi Africa is part of your playground.
Rez, I actually stayed here for 15 years.
Oh,
so I've been here and
Yes.
I started actually also grinding.
Yes,
here, you
yes.
know. I can't mention some of the things, but I was part of Red Pepper. I
Yes.
was part of Vow FM. So there's other projects
Yes.
that I did.
Yes.
So yeah, man. And then went back to Swaziland and it was all cool.
Awungitshele, coming back to Swaziland, were you very on a mission ukuthi now I am coming to plant back. I'm going to stay, or it was
You never plan these things, man. Some things are just, I think the beauty in not planning is for things to just unveil themselves. And once they unveil themselves, it's just a beautiful, when it comes together and materializes.
how the process leads you to the excess and the final thing. It's very amazing sometimes. Let's talk about the process that led you to Makoti Festival, Brian.
I think Makoti Festival, man, it was just a group, a team together that just came through. New Life Entertainment. I'm part of New Life Entertainment, by the way.
Shout out to New Life Entertainment right there.
All the way, man. Formidable, stable. So came together and decided, what can we do? Because there was a lot of GPV that was going on.
Right.
Every time you read the papers on the front page, there's a lady that is being strangled,
Right.
killed. So it ended up making, the female species be sort of scared to actually get into that relationship and get married and be a makoti.
Right.
So we're like, how can we try and change this? What better way than edutainment? Edutainment and
Educate and entertain.
yeah,
I like
so
that.
at the same time. So hence this concept came to life, and then a lot of what encompasses makoti. There's
Right.
hairstyles, there's food, there's
Right.
fashion.
It's the lifestyle, being Makoti. It's a
there's
lifestyle.
culture.
Yeah.
So yeah, man, I think that's the whole idea.
It sounds very brilliant. Now, let me understand something. You mean the GBV topic, that agenda affects us, Botswana, South Africa, Eswatini. It affects us all over the SADC, yeah?
I wouldn't say SADC. I think it's an international parasite that is actually, it's just, I don't know what's going wrong, you understand? I think we don't talk anymore as we used to. So that's why kumakoti seba nanagla sikubita ngelawu, where we sit down and just talk about issues. On the first inception, we had an organization, NGO, called Gwaka Invota,
Right.
where it was dealing with Bobabe, Babelokot. So it was
Right.
teaching Bobabe, if this happens, walk away or do this. Fighting shouldn't be, the last resort.
Makoti is a niche market, I must say. It's a very special niche market. Ngendlela yokuthi, even here in Mzansi, we don't really have a vision that celebrates the wife in
Yeah.
all the essence of being modern, being flashy, being productive, being progressive, being business-minded. And I believe ukuthi, what you all are doing is pretty 2025 year phambili. Kuhle bhuti wami.
Thank you so much, man. And I hope we can see a lot of people from Bombela. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. It's an amazing podcast. I've been following their work and I just love it. Thank you.
Appreciate your time, Putemkosi. I swear, guys, if ungazi, kune Observer Eswatini, kune Times Eswatini, all the media houses from Eswatini came here to Singatha this media launch. That means, was it 26 April?
It's on.
26
Like a
April. When you were speaking, you spoke about exactly the area that is going to be active about Umakoti.
Yeah.
Break it down for me. Where exactly is it in Swaziland going to be?
It's in the beautiful valley, man, with green lush and overlooking the green mountains and valleys of Ezulwini, Malkin's Country Club. And before you get there, you pass a lot of beautiful historical places in Eswatini. So it's always advisable when you're going to a festival, just arrive the day before, early, so that you can be able to do a bit of sightseeing.
The MMC was here, and she's all green lights for us to go and enjoy Umakoti Festival coming this 26 April 2025. And brother, umangfuna kwazi more about ukuthi lineup ibenjani. Do you have the socials?
Yeah, on all social media platforms, just, go on the search, engine and type Makoti Festival. Alternatively, you can go to our website, www.makotifestival.com, and everything you need to know about the festival should be a click away.
2025, fourth year running. Pumla Music representing in Bombela all the way lapha Makoti Festival. So be not there and you'll be squared. Putemkosi, any last words to the patrons who will be traveling from Bombela coming to Swaziland to come and be part of Makoti Festival? Any words from you to them?
I think they must just expect to be thoroughly entertained, man, because
Yes.
we have such a diverse lineup from gospel to Maskandi,
Yes.
live music to a bit of dancing there with a beautiful DJ lineup. And we still have one surprise artist to reveal, so they must be on the lookout for the artist. They will love it. The food is amazing, the
course.
fashion, so you might pick up a dress that you like from someone else and just duplicate it and it looks good on you. And there are business actually opportunities where you'll get to network with, people from also outside of Eswatini or outside of Mbombela, or meet someone from Lesotho, end up being friends and creating something big because of this festival. So, man, I can urge you, go there, come in your numbers and buy those tickets. They're available on Howler and CompuTicket. Ngiyabonga.
Makoti, but remember, nomchita, no brother, no ungavela, because it's going to be a very, very lovely harmonic atmosphere. It's a soft spot on the Soft Network. Putemkosi, bringing you Makoti, 26 April, Swatini, Siavela. Ngiyabonga bhuti wami.
We're out.
Away. It's the Soft Spot on the Soft Network. It's a beautiful media launch for something rather spectacular and different and unique. I mean, think about it. Where Abu Makoti get to be themselves with their children, looking fabulous and glamorous, exchanging ideas, and still celebrating sound in the entertainment. Yo, says Nomathemba.
Sanibonani.
Angalilahli igama lakho Nomathemba nis.
Mathemba ulishuto kahle.
I always
Thank
get
you.
nervous about names. Yazi magama abalulekile. Just like le gama lale festival esikhuluma ngayo.
Yes,
Makoti Festival, it's the fourth year and you're still going strong. You're involving Mbombela, you're involving South Africa, you're involving Lesotho as well, because I know you've got Stana on the lineup. Seswam,
Khohle Mozambique.
baningi man, Mozambique bafethu. Bathini lady, Liz.
Lisa James.
Lisa James from
Yes.
Mozambique who's part of the lineup. You just have to go to the website and check more about this. But Sis Nomathemba will tell us more about ukuthi what can you expect ngamehlo nje noma usofika endaweni this year. Seswami kunjani vele?
Ngiyaphila kunjani bhuti?
Napuma from the kingdom of Eswatini neta embombela to make us part of something amazing. Yazi si special. Tell me Seswami khamba njani?
Ngiyaphila kabhuti.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day.
Yeah.
Sijabulile kuba khona.
Yeah.
And we are very excited. We've just had a successful media launch. Simukeleke kahle eMbombela, siyabonga kakhulu.
I am very excited, Uguti. Right after COVID, you stood up. 2021, 2022, 2023, you pushed as if you knew Uguti was successful, and the success is following you. Aungchele, the relationship you're building with Mbombela South Africa, how important and how strategic is that?
Look, Africa is a community. We are one. We may be divided by a border, but we are definitely one. And our aim is to push unity and to break not only the borders and boundaries, but also to break the cultural barriers.
Yes.
So Emma events Lafana Namakoti Festival, which is very, very close to my heart and close to the team's heart, aims to do that. We aim to celebrate not only the Swazi culture,
Yes.
but the African culture at large. As you would have heard one of our executive team members speak, Gutsi Makoti does not have to dress up in Swazi regalia.
Right.
You can come as a Namibian Makoti, you
Right.
can come as a Mozambican Makoti, as an Ethiopian Makoti. Whichever culture that resonates with you, whichever culture that you want to celebrate on
Right.
the day, please definitely come through, because it's not just Swazi culture that will be showcased. There's so many other cultures.
There's an amazing, heartwarming, underlining motivation behind Makoti. We're living in a space where GBV is on the rise. Gender-based violence is actually diminishing the opportunity of having families.
Yeah,
Families build nations.
that's true.
So umakoti being celebrated is literally encouraging the spirit of Guti Magube nekaya elno mama no baba bantwana bakhule.
Absolutely, absolutely. To celebrate Makoti, we are also putting out there challenges that Makoti faces, because outside the actual festival, we are also creating a platform of talks
I like that.
where we are addressing issues that Makoti face,
Right.
which are domestic,
Right.
economic,
Economic.
socio-economic,
Personally.
personal.
You're an individual
yes.
now. You've got 3 kids following you every day. And even if you go to the toilet, one of them will come inside with you. So who are you now? Maybe you meet other women who can.
Makoti ulthwele ekhaya.
Yo.
And remember, Makoti is not just a married.
Right.
Yes, Makoti is a female.
A female.
Makoti is 5 years old. Makoti is 55 years old. And my challenge is etfu. Ayafanana, because nalolona 5 chances are une sibling lana 3
Right.
I
Ayinakekele.
lona 55 so ungmake ungogo ungandi wethwele. And the biggest thing that we're trying to address actually ngamakoti is actually socio-economic.
Socio-economic, making sure Makoti agalambi.
Making sure ukuthi Makoti akalambi, making sure that Makoti has a voice.
Has a voice.
Making sure ukuthi Makoti is given a platform yokuthi naye akhule.
Yes.
Develop not only just financially, but develop physically and mentally and emotionally as well. Because the concept of Makoti Festival is actually a safe space for the woman. But at the same time, we're not saying the man is not allowed.
Siyaba drop ngani? Sisifesishiye lapha sihambe
Yes,
or are we
yes,
also
yes.
welcome to hang around?
Inkinga yenu niyazicrop and it's manibona makoti bese event
Yeah.
makoti cha.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
are saying,
yeah,
gentlemen,
yeah.
bomkhwenyana bobhuti bomzala bomalume, also come through and just have sight of ukuthi makoti uphila kanjani. Makoti ngimaphe ama opportunities la ngaba nawo. Mawungamnika le platform, makoti ngakondela lokukhulu. So we are definitely inviting the gentlemen as well to definitely come and join us.
So that they can learn to appreciate the Makoti side of happiness.
Appreciate us,
Yeah,
appreciate us. And apart from happiness, just kubona ukuthi makoti uphila kanjani, makoti ufisa kwendani. Ikuphi? Yes, because I don't want to be sitting at home, kumele wena ubuye ngigathe bantwana. No, I want to run a business. I want to make money. I also want to enjoy my money. I want to also network. Nalabanye
You also want to
bomakoti.
call the shots, be the
Yes,
boss.
I want to be the boss as well because I think now sesiphile esikhathini lapho it's a level ground for everyone.
Yo.
So that's what we're trying to create, ngamakoti.
Without diminishing the prospect of you becoming umakoti. Yes, be financially active. Yes, be academic. Yes, be social. But don't shy away from the title and the responsibility of being umakoti.
Yes,
Ngoba
yes.
the future world we are living in seems to be encouraging that independent woman. I can do it for myself, you know. But even though ngoba independent, I think you still be lacking that calling of umakoti. Ngoba I feel like a woman that lives life with money and not become a makoti of a family is
Remember,
half-lived.
there's also the cultural aspect
Yes,
of Makoti. It's
yes.
not just us creating a space where Makoti can complain or Makoti can network. Kuna bomakoti labadzala labakhona, bomage, labanelguma, labakhona labasibambisile that help us nurture young Makoti culturally. Njengoba umbonile nje lomunye makoti wethu lobekakhona lokhulumile ukuthi apart from the young makoti sinaye makoti lomdzala losibuksile and losibambisile from a point of educating
Right.
culturally because at the end of the day without isiko lakho without ilmuva lakho you are nothing and Africa is all about culture.
Yes.
Africa is all about culture.
Guys, I'm falling in love with the Makoti Festival. Each time lo sizakhuluma ngayo. Yeah, but Mkosi bakhuluma ngayo, but the way sizakhuluma ngayo, yo, it's like I want to go and live there now so that come 26 April I just cross the road. Good line. Yo. Okay, it's a concept and a half, and I think it's got potential, and it definitely has the possibility ukuthi ikhule isithinte mhlaba wonke.
We're growing bigger and better each year. We have a very good team that is quite innovative. So each year, please expect something different, but definitely something better. Because if vision yet, at the end of the day, is to elevate Makoti, who, as I say starts from the girl child right to go Kolohlele Kumen.
Makoti Festival on its 4th year.
Yeah.
26 April.
Yeah.
Bathi ngale ngaseZulwini mara hayi le but eSwatini. eZulwini Michaelas Golf Estate.
Malken's Country Club.
Malkens man basemahlanyeni labanye. Does that word still exist?
But no, good to dine at Mahlanya.
Ukazofika kula mahlanya so
Yeah,
udlulile.
you're about 5 kilometers away from the actual venue. Ngeke uze ulahleke.
Kindly guide us through your socials and the updates that are still going to be coming between now and 26 April.
We're running daily updates as we go along, and we always encourage people to follow our social media pages. Facebook is Makoti Festival. Instagram is makoti.festival. Please feel free to make suggestions, give reviews, ask questions. Dan pendvula. Mangabe shokuthi also you want that intimate touch. You can also reach out to us via email makotifest@gmail.com, or you can reach out to us on our website www.makotifestival.com.
So something in the passport, mina. So come 26 April, most likely so besifikile mphathi wami ngifana akanazi budget, technical fana akanazi malanga, and then siyafika shoota konke.
Yes, come on the 25th of April so that you can also get the experience a day before, because this thing starts to come alive on the day before. Uthi mawungena nje Border Gate wathi ukuthi no, Swatini kuphizi.
Bawisa inkomo Brian every year labantu labasisheli thina sesiyathi inyanga sovela khona.
Seyithengiwe vele seyikhonjiwe vele already.
It's a soft spot on the soft network. I was with Seswami Nomathemba. Nomathemba. Ngiyabona sesamkhathi sakho. Kangihleka lo sesasisotini. Kuze ngikhohle igama lakhe. It's a soft spot. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your time.
Ngiyabonga
Your
kakhulu,
rock.
Bhuti. We hope to see you on the 26th of April,
Night
2025.
passport vele ngiyayo.
Siyakwemukela
Otherwise
mawufika.
ngiyayo esinkancweni. Kuba mnanzi uma uhamba enzaweni ufike bese welcome umnikati wendzawo akutshele ukuthi mfethu lana usenzaweni le so. So as I'm saying, we are currently at the Botanical Gardens restaurant in Mbombela. I said it right, ne?
Yes, you did. Siyabonga, you
I'm
did.
with my brother Benjamin Sanderson, the events coordinator, manager. Lo muntu owazi izinto njena. He's here to welcome us and tell us what it is. How are you, Benjamin?
No, I'm good. How are you doing, big brother?
I'm fine, thank you. It seems to be the right province for hospitality and management. How has your experience being in the management of hospitality in Mbombela? How is it going?
No, it's really good. So what I do is I do communications. I'm a communications manager and a marketing manager, basically for the Botanical Garden restaurant.
Yes.
So it's been a great experience. You get to meet a lot of people.
Right.
You get to give people experience,
Yeah.
And experience is everything, especially in a place like this nature. It's the best. It's the
Li-
best. It
Listen
is
to the
best.
river rumbling, the
Yeah.
waterfalls. They call them the Cascade waterfalls. You can hear the Cascade waterfall as a botanical garden from where I'm
Spot on.
sitting, and it creates a very relaxing vibe, doesn't it?
Yeah, well, yes, it does. It does. And especially when people come here, it's more of a calm vibe and people that want to actually come and experience nature and
Yes.
have a good meal.
And have a good meal. We had something to eat from Lana A Botanical Gardens restaurant, and I must say, delicious.
The platter,
Delicious food.
the platter.
platter, yeah?
Very delicious. Most people opt for the platter when they come here. We have various options as well.
Yes.
But this was a good option for an event,
But Benjamin,
Kitchen.
what kind of events do you normally host? So like today we are at a media launch for the Makoti Festival, which is
Yeah.
pretty nice. You got the who's and who's chilling on the. I mean, it's really nice. But then normally, what other events do you cater for?
Okay. So basically what we as a restaurant are focused at is obviously your day-to-day people that walking here, your walk-ins.
Right.
Make sure we take care of them, give them the best of service,
Right.
Top-class luxury. We also do weddings here.
Oh wow!
Yes, we do weddings as well. We do corporate events. When corporate companies want to come and book the event, we give them the whole event.
Yeah.
We do also government events as well.
Yes.
We do those as well.
Yes.
And we also do sometimes do Friday events, and we are planning on doing our Sunday sessions.
Maybe
where
some
people can come and
unplugged
relax.
guitar,
Yeah,
nyana.
that's what we're doing actually.
We can organize that for
Yeah,
you. We
with
can
friends,
organize the
we're doing
unplug.
with
Yeah.
friends, yeah.
I think the space, the atmosphere, even the architecture of the space, it lets you feel like you've got a canopy into nature.
Which is true.
And it's beautiful. This is an iconic space. Bro, hospitality management, has it always been your passion?
So my passion has always been communications and
Communications and marketing.
That's always been
My
passion.
mistake. I kept on saying
No,
hospitality.
that's okay.
My bad. Okay.
So yeah, it's always been my passion. Look, connecting with people, communicating with people, giving people service, and giving them the experience for me means everything. So it's very broad. When it comes to this industry.
Communications marketing, you are well spoken, my friend, I must say, and you've got a beautiful space to market. It
Thank
shouldn't
you,
be too
thank you,
hard.
thank you.
How do we get to learn more about the Botanical Gardens restaurant in Mbombela? Do you have like any socials?
Yes. We do have socials. We do have a Facebook page. It's Botanical Gardens Restaurant in Mbombela. Please do subscribe and like the page as well.
Yes.
We
Yes.
do show our specials. We show our activity, whatever events we're having here. We do show that as well. We also do have an Instagram page as well, which we are working on and developing as well.
May I ask for a favor?
Yeah.
We like to shoot on location a lot.
Yeah.
We could be in Hazyview. We want to have a relationship with a smart space in Hazyview. Maybe our guest is coming from the Kruger Park. We meet them halfway in Hazyview. We have a lot of interviews in Nelspruit, and we don't have this picture. We don't have a location that we can borrow for 2 hours, capture a corner, bring the guest, and have an interview. Would you allow us to once a month?
I can look into it.
Thank you.
obviously.
That means the world.
Because I need to speak to my corporate about
have
it, get
to.
permission from that. But
See this
definitely
pi-
it's a good idea.
See this picture when it's done.
Yeah.
And then imagine us, capturing the space, but yet having a private conversation in the corner and without disturbing your business
No,
at
that
all.
would be great. That would
I
be
mean,
great.
we are at the Botanical Gardens
that would
Mbombela
be
restaurants,
great.
you know what I'm saying?
that would be great.
Please think about it. We're going to exchange numbers, but relationships, collaborations is what keep things moving, you know what I'm saying?
Which is good. And thank you for giving us this opportunity to be with you, speak to you, big brother. This means a lot to me,
Yeah.
The event that was here today as well.
Smart.
Very smart.
Yes.
Straight to the point,
Everything went well, I
Artists,
swear.
It promotes culture as well. Believe in culture as well.
I have to say, my
great.
brother, the event itself, Makoti Festival,
Yeah.
it's also centered around hospitality and tourism
true.
and feeling at home away from home. So you're a very beautiful backdrop for us to really believe because I felt Swaziland is petty hospitality a grand. Otherwise, Mr. Communications and Marketing, what does the future hold for the Mbombela Botanical Gardens Mbombela
So
restaurant?
yeah, we have been planning a lot, doing a lot of planning, putting planning into action as well. We have now the tea garden on that side as well. We'll be hosting big events as well. So we're collaborating with brands, that come here and say, okay, listen, when we collaborate, I go out and find brands as well. So a lot of good events are going to come from this. And you know what? Actually, I am so excited for the next few years to come.
I like that.
And we're going to make it the best of the best.
Don't try and be like the rest.
Thank you.
Be the best in your own lane.
Which is true.
We
Which is
need
true.
variety, Pele. You
Yeah.
can't be like the next Prestige.
No,
I won't even mention the names. So be that cannot be into nature.
Yeah, which is true. Which
That
is true.
will give me that thing that no one else can give me, but the
Which is
the
true.
Botanical Gardens restaurant.
Experience.
But
That's experience.
Benjamin,
Thank you, big
it was
brother.
a pleasure, my guy. Thanks for having us in your restaurant.
Thank you.
Mwah, top star, lovely.
Awesome. Thank you. You guys have yourself a good day.
Oh, hey, don't forget to subscribe and like
Yeah, don't
the
forget to
Soft
subscribe.
Network.
Yeah, that's our Facebook page, Botanical Gardens Restaurant in Bombela.
Yeah.
Please go on Facebook, just like and subscribe as well to
As
the
well.
page, and then as well, just share as well. As much as we share. look
And
us
you
for
must
the
come
specials.
here. Don't just
Yeah.
end up by sharing.
Yeah,
Share
come,
and
take
gather
pictures.
yourself.
There's beautiful pictures here.
Beautiful space here.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much, guys.
Sanderson. I have the pleasure of meeting yazini ngikhule naye lo mjita lona sithanda ama hip hop sisonke, and the media bug must have really took off in both of our lives. But Muzi, how you doing, sir?
I'm alright, Sunjan Put.
Mashele Mbungela.
Yep.
You often are the one who does the interviewing. And today I'm interviewing you.
For a change.
What are we doing here, sir?
Still past kumthunzi welanga. Sidla amafinger lunch. And we are here for the media launch.
Sisingatha festival from across the border. This is special, Bafit.
Right? A whole SADC festival.
This festival could have literally had its launch in Swaziland, but it asked the Swazi media to come to Mbombela, Sito Launcha Lana. That for me is profound from the founders of Makoti Festival.
True, very true.
Tell me now, what do you think Makoti Festival has got for us on 26 April? From what you heard today, the plan moving forward, would you attend it?
Yeah, I definitely would like to attend it. I like the prospect of collaborating across the board. And I definitely like the agenda they have for the festival.
Right.
Glamorizing Bumakoti is a very different spin to things, right?
It's a niche market that was never, ever seen until the most humble and most royal of people said no. Umakoti builds a nation. Asimnagegele. I like it.
Yeah, spot on. Spot on. It's a very original concept.
Very original concept.
But yeah, sure to sekufuneka kube njengoba sisikhanya shilo kufuneka kube namkhwenyana.
Somosha thine lapho so shayilala simsuku bakomosheka basimkhwenyane angeke babuye ake sibe emakhaya.
Yeah.
But then you asked a very interesting question, MZ. Wabuza ukuthi yazini, if I've just caught wind of this fest now and maybe I want to collaborate with some of my content to collaborate with the festival, has the time frame died now? But I like the response as well. It's almost like Imakoti wants to be creating an ongoing relationship and building a database between South Africa and Swaziland.
True. Yeah, I had to ask because I also think bengatibuteli mina
Right.
bengibutela wonke lokona lo maybe usinzwe tinyawo.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So yeah, I had to ask that, and I think indlela yokukhula, especially in this multimedia space,
Right.
it's through collaboration.
Through collaboration.
Yeah.
You've got the music hat, besides the filming and everything. Do you see yourself one day maybe gracing Bushfire or Makoti Fest? I mean, for me, as an artist I would like one day to recite a poem during Bushfire. I mean, it's ours. It's these are the platforms that are international and not so far away from us.
Yeah. Look, in terms of the hats, yeah, tininga cool letigcoka. Angisat know what with sometimes nangitithula ngithi ngingibani ngendani. But definitely the grand scheme of things is
Yes.
to find myself in a position where
Yes.
I can take the music across the borders
Ish.
or outside of the continent.
I'm excited about what's coming up on your side. See, we're used to you being the documentary guru, but you've also got an angle in music that many do not know. And I mean, and I'm excited about the direction you're taking. However, you gotta watch the Soft Spots on the Soft Network to catch more on the music. Right here, Uput MZ. Muzi Putomi yabonga sikhathi sakho ukuthi sikhulume kancane se-Botanical Garden.
But ngiyabonga mina. Ngiyabonga ukuthi nami ungi-invite. Nami ngidiva ngimkhudlwana nje namuhla njengalaba labanye labe bahleli la.
Yithi labakhulu ukuthi sibambe wena bro umuntu lomatasatasa kangaka but asikaqedanga. Stay tuned, subscribe, like. I've got the music for an hour soon. Awechi.
Yabo.
Siyabonga. The Makoti Music Festival or the Makoti Festival celebrates women in their talent, in their fashion, in their style, in their individuality. And of course, one of the lineups who will be performing on the 26th, 27th, Lord knows how it's going to go for, but it's my sister Lee Bombo, all the way from Le Bombo in Swaziland, and she is going to be performing at the Makoti Festival in Janseson. Ngiyaphila Shem. Welcome to Mbombela.
Thank you so much. It's a beautiful place.
Thank you for saying that. I like your outfit. I like
Thank you so much.
I like traditional outfits generally.
Thank
Mina,
you.
yes,
Thank
yes.
you. I had to impress you, guys.
I am very impressed,
Is it?
but I'm not impressed with the DJ. We're not,
Oh,
we're not
no,
even
no.
gonna go there.
Let's
I
not
think
go there. Let's not go there.
lawyer must be shot to death.
Okay.
Sandra Sam, music is part of you now.
Yes.
You are doing international festivals, but when Katuna 5-10 years old, did you imagine yourself to be someone who's about active in international stage?
Of course.
Oh, you
Of
did?
course, I did.
Oh.
My mom had a problem with kulahlekelwa marol onzak and stuff in the bedroom. Yes, because I'll be at the back. Exactly, I'll be at the back. Entertainer umbila lapha, like that will be my crowd.
I heard you sing. You've got a beautiful voice.
Thank you so
Did you
much.
go for voice training or you naturally just gifted?
I'm naturally gifted.
So, as all Africans, I got we gifted, my fit, you know.
Because
How long have you been doing music professionally, or you have maybe another side hustle, or you just music full on? We play in life.
okay, Mina, I am music full on.
Nice.
I started music when I was in school. I think
High school?
Yes, I think it was 2009. Okay, and I've been singing at
Of
school.
course, yeah.
So one of my teachers, a career guidance teacher,
Yeah.
recognized the talent. I started joining competitions, music competitions. One time, Big Fish Makabane came to Eswatini for
Yes.
Ima's choir.
Yes.
Out of hundreds and hundreds of people who were there at my auditions, I was one of the 18 people who were chosen.
And that was not a mistake.
It was
Uyayikhumbula
never.
le mbila leya?
Yes,
Le mbila le baby
that was my
siyibukela nje
character.
kuhlahlela. That was your
Yes,
rehearsal stage.
exactly,
When you
exactly.
believe in it, you don't need the whole outfit.
Exactly.
You don't need the whole outfit.
Exactly.
So
exactly.
Makabane picked you out of
Exactly.
He formed a choir of 18 members from Swaziland.
Yes.
That's super. I like that.
I was one of those 18 members.
Awungitshele. The tingoma letihlabelelako, the music that you sing. Do you write your own songs?
Yes, I do.
What inspires your writing, Ceci?
Impilo, life itself, life involves love. There's challenges. It's about that.
There's disappointments.
There's disappointments.
For everybody.
Everything.
Yeah, yeah. All right. Is it your first time performing at the Makoti Fest?
No, it was not.
Wow. So performing at the Makoti.
The first time I was there as a backing vocalist. Okay, yes, I've been a backing
I like
vocalist
that.
for quite a long time.
Wow. And that was your training ground too.
Exactly,
You know,
exactly.
even Luther Vandross, he was a backup vocalist before he even became the Luther Vandross that you know.
Okay. So yeah. And then the second time I was singing as Libombo.
Yes.
And even
Ay, Marawena, you're not telling the truth, man. To jump from being when you're a backup vocalist, you're in the back. No more a mistake, ubonakali. But now to jump from the back to the front, sorry, to say that now I want to lead the song. Who inspired you to do that?
okay, I've been wanting to do that since. So being at the back, I wanted to learn.
Yes.
I
Gain
wanted
the
to
experience,
learn
the
more.
confidence.
Exactly, because mostly as artists, we don't have confidence. And on stage, we are not active on stage. We just project our voices. Yes, we do have beautiful voices, you understand? We have to engage with the crowd, you understand? So being at the back, I recognized a lot of things. Let it shut down. And then I went to studio. And then a few guys met me. Bangfage studio. I remember when I go to studio, I didn't know what thing went done. I didn't know the setup. When I got there, the guy said, sing. The producer was like, I don't know what to sing. What he sing? I went at the back of the microphone. I sang a song. He played. A song came out. From there, I started being my own.
That's brilliant. Gotcha. Unemanga umochi, you don't know how to sing because
didn't know, actually.
naturally so when you're a backup vocalist, you've been singing for the umbila, you had something
Oh,
to sing.
yes, okay.
You were
If you
better
say
than
so.
another because when I practice, that's a lot.
Mm-hmm.
So Makoti Festival, you're a performer, great. What else do you look forward to for the year 2025?
A lot.
course.
There's a lot that I'm planning to do. There's an event that I'm organizing that will be towards the end of the year, and also releasing more music.
I like that.
Then the song I was singing there, it's one of my new release.
Well done.
Yes.
It's a lovely song. Please give us the
a
title.
video. It's Yebo. Type
Yebo, ne?
Yebo,
By
yes.
Lee Wombo.
It also has a music video as well.
So we can check it out on YouTube.
Everywhere you
Now, what
find
says slow?
it.
Check out YouTube corner.
Everywhere.
And
Everywhere.
she's one of the lineup artists that are going to be entertaining the crowds at this year's 2025 4th edition Makoti Festival. What are you looking forward to? Like they're excited about with regards to Makoti Fest and your performance this year. By all means.
Guys, I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for everyone. You know what? Funa Spengaga. Yeah.
I think it's beautiful. Luguti, as you are Makoti, with your responsibilities and your challenges, come and enjoy with us.
Yes,
Let's
please.
celebrate your
Yes,
womanhood.
please. Yes.
I like the message, yes.
Women. You'll see.
Look out for Lee Bombo. The name of the song is Yebo. It's on YouTube and all digital platforms.
Yes, of course.
And maybe she'll invite us because it's some singata later
Yes.
this year event yakhe.
Yes, we will.
It's the Soft Spot on the Soft Network. Lee Bombo, uthing mazia. It was a pleasure sitting with you, Siswa.
Thank you so much.
Ubabingelele phela leli Eswatini ekhaya.
Okay, I will. Thank you.
It's the Soft Spot on the Soft Network. We are right here at the Botanical Gardens Mbombela restaurant for a recent media launch of an initiative that is actually on the other side of the border. Yazi sibalulekile sibahle. But no one could get it done without having a team that cares from the artistic point of view, obviously. Ngikhona Sis Phumla. Sawubona Sis Phumla.
Hello, Papa Kunjani.
Unebangani lababuya eSwatini wena uyabaletha ngala ukuthi sibatosibona. What a wonderful media launch.
Thank you so much.
So Swami, you've gathered all media houses to be here to come and sing at the 4th edition
Yes.
of the Makoti Festival.
Absolutely.
You never told me it was such a great idea, like such a beautiful background, like the
Yeah.
storyline Sale Festival, snembilo,
absolutely.
celebrating those who make it families.
Of course.
How do you feel being
Bomage.
Bomage babamba emakhaya,
Yes.
babakhulisa sive.
Of course.
And if you can celebrate those people ukuthi bahlale bajabulile, yonke into izoshayina.
Well, you know, it's such an amazing initiative. This festival is one of the best that I actually been wanting to be part of. I've been wanting to be part of Makoti since 2023. I attended their launch 2023 and I was not part of the lineup. Hoping. It's 2025 now. I'm on the lineup and I think now it feels great to be on the lineup because I have music.
That's what I like. Yes.
I have music that really will fit the theme,
Yes.
fit what Makoti is all about.
Yes.
So kuyendeka ukuthi maybe 2023 ngijahile kungena kule stage bengekho ready.
So true.
Yes, so but now I am super ready. I'm very excited. Bantu baseSwatini babonile ke ukuthi ngibaphatheleni. I cannot wait for them to see how great I am on stage.
Oh, of course you are. You are. I wish I could come. Yazi ngisisho ngeteam yami nama passport. Hey, ngistressed.
Guys.
Seswami, it's very exciting to know ukuthi le relationship emkhathini kwe Kingdom of Eswatini neMbombela
Yeah.
iyakhula ngoba it's not by mistake that they are here to launch.
Absolutely.
Benza ngamabomu ngoba after Impumalanga ihlangana, it's Mozambique, it's Botswana, it's creating
Lesotho as well.
Yes, the date is 26 April.
Yes.
It's a weekend-long affair. Meaning
course.
ukuthi iSwaziland or Eswatini bathi fika Thursday.
Yes.
We enjoy Thursday. You
Fika
bona
Thursday,
tindzawo.
uyalala.
Uyalala.
When ubuke tindzawo, Friday, we are officially launching Makoti.
Launching Makoti,
Eswatini
yes.
With all the other artists.
Kuwiswa inkomo.
Kuwiswa inkomo. I cannot wait. Kudla mathumbu.
Oh, it's so authentic.
It's so
Unenhlanhla
authentic.
ukuthi ube ready and futhi ube so welcomed kule
Yes.
initiative at this level.
Yes.
Usirepresente kahle dear. Yeah, I know, I
Yeah,
trust. I know.
Sithando
You're
sami.
one of
Thank
the
you so much.
Ubukani lengaka lana ubona bani phana nami ngidobuka. Ngibani? Oh, okay. Ah, sengibonile. It's the Soft Spot on the Soft Network. Any last words from you, my sister, especially to Bomkhaya?
Yes.
Esizosuka nabo lana.
Yes.
Siye Eswatini with them. So singatha wena.
Yes.
So singatha emakoti mhla 26 April.
Yes.
Any last words? Any words of advice? Uthini?
I am really grateful. I'd like to say that, Mosat. I'm so grateful for everything that people have done, the commitment, the support. It means a lot. The house was full and the media was full. The vibes were vibing. The music was amazing. And I think people now understand what Makoti Festival is about. I'm grateful beyond grateful. So, Gumakoti team, I'd also like to say, yay, ningendile mondvu guys.
Awe.
This is an international stage. Akuna ramtuto ngamanangene lapha.
Awe.
Uyayibona, so ngiyabonga kakhulu ukungibona, ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi kucela kwami kuba part of imakoti kwendele.
Yes.
Niphinze ningithembe beyond ukuthi ngingaba part of imbombela team as well.
Alright.
So that for me, hayibo, mina ngicela umsebenzi bathi actually
Wena une responsibility.
Actually, I don't want to lie. Ngiucelile umsebenzi. You understand? I asked for umsebenzi earlier last year. Bangitshela ke ukuthi no manje sesifinalizile kwa 2024 utongena 2025. Beginning of 2025 they came back to me luckily vele mtithembiso tabo bathi gcina. But now you have bigger responsibilities
Yes.
by just performing.
Yes.
You need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For that, I'm forever grateful. Agusimi ngedwa Mbombela team. There's also Simpiwe.
Yes.
There's also Sandile, who is also there.
Yes.
Who is also doing one of the amazing songs, Lakaya Lo Kamge Swatini.
Wow.
Yes, his name, he goes by the name of Masco. He's part of the Makoti Mbombela team.
The team is brilliant. Even the Mbombela team. Ihlakaniphile.
Yes.
Kuphela bomusa nabo Soft Network. Kuyashelela nje
Uyathi ukuthi soft network yonke into iyashelela, everything is soft life. I'd like to say as well, guys, maye siyabonga as a network, siyabonga kakhulu as a network to come and support, to come and make this thing live. You create memories, Nina. So you guys, you have the blueprint. Lokuthi noma semakhaya sitawubukela ukuthi kabe bekonakalana.
It's only a pleasure to support a movement that is moving.
Of course.
Kumnandi kukwazi dear, and thank you so
Une-vibe,
much.
yazi Musa,
No, when
ngiyabonga.
you're rocker, Joe, and thanks for having us here. We had a great time. We've got content, and
Ngiyabonga.
sekufanele just plan the 26th April kusiyahamba na.
Sema 25 April.
Ngahamba isikhomeni sakho shem.
Awungena esikhwameni uhamba wedvana. Sengicedzile baba yini.
Kancane nje.